not stream for Facebook again
Who talk am?
because the Facebook they give am money. The one I leave Facebook, may everybody go use to go watch.
Okay, someone know dey stream again for Facebook. You no tell me o.
I dey tell you, nothing dey tell me. Facebook no dey give am money.
How far? But no need na, make we just leave am like that. How far? If say make we stop to dey stream for Facebook, say Facebook no dey give am money. Na to touch tell me innocent talk. Chisom, stop showing them your screen now. Put your slide on. Chisom, start sharing your screen. Okay, Meg. Just put it on your screen. Why is this boy's face showing there? Just put your slide there. Can I fear?
Hello, everyone. Good morning. Hello, everyone. Can you hear me? You can unmute yourself and respond to me, so I'll be sure that you can hear me.
My laptop now. Now you just want mad. No, now you just want mad. You see the operator.
All right. So I can read your response from the chat box. So today we'll be talking about exploring AI art. So right now I'm going to share my screen
Or
with
hang
you
for passing so.
so we can carry on actively. on the class. Stop. All right, so I'm sharing my screen now. If you can see my screen, comment in the chat box so I'll know that you're following. All right, today we'll be talking about exploring AI art and design. And in this session, I'll give you a little introduction of what you should expect in the class. So it's a fun section and it's an exciting journey into how AI can help you create amazing pictures from your ideas. And you will learn how to talk to AI using simple prompts, how to choose styles you like, and how to turn your imagination into your images. Together, we will try hands-on activities, let you design your own cartoons, logos, and storybook characters. And by the end of the class, you will see that AI and that with AI, anyone can be an artist. All you need is curiosity and creativity. First, let's understand what AI and art is. And what is art? AI art. AI art is an artwork created with the help of smart computer tools. You bring the idea, and the AI helps you turn it into something you can see. It's a mix of your imagination and the computer's ability to learn from lots of examples. How AI generates art. AI creates images by studying many pictures and learning patterns like colors, shapes, styles, and moods. When you give it an instruction, it uses what it has learned to create something new and unique. The role of prompts. Can you hear me now? If you can hear me, please respond in the comment box. All right, so the role of prompts. Prompts are instructions you give the AI. The clearer your prompts, the better the picture is mixed. So all this is what we'll be exploring one after the other in this class. Now, tools for AI art cartoon. All right. First, we have an AI tool called DALL-E. It is an AI model by OpenAI that generates images from text descriptions. It is the smart tool that turns your words into pictures. You type a description and it creates an image that matches what you imagined. And yes, it's great for making characters and posters. The second tool is Canva AI. It integrates AI features for effortless visual creation. It helps you design posters, logos, and graphics quickly, just using AI. And then the third tool is Adobe Express AI. It's a user-friendly platform for graphic design and AI content. It lets you make arts, graphics, and cool visuals with AI. Can you hear me now? Are you following? All right. So we move on to creating your own art. And here are the steps in doing that. In making a cartoon version of yourself, what it simply explains is you transforming your photograph into a cartoon using AI tools. Second, designing a personal logo. You can create a personal logo that reflects your identity or your brand using AI as well. And the third, digital art for children's storybook. You can use AI tools to bring a story to life. You can design characters, settings, and scenes, all from your ideas and your prompts. Now, your idea is what you have in mind. An idea is something that you've thought of. For instance, you can think of how can a bag work? All of us know it's impossible. But then that is your idea. And this is something you can prompt into AI and it gives you a visual representation of what your idea looks like. Right? Because you know that physically is not something that is achievable, but with AI, you can have that available and you can learn from it. Now, we have creative AI fun, where we turn photos, ideas, and stories into digital art. And I'll be showing you a step-by-step guide on your ideas and story, turning your ideas and story into digital art. First, we start by making a cartoon version of yourself using Photos AI. It is a cartoon generator AI where you convert your photo image into an AI cartoon or art. If you look closely on the screen, you will see an image, the before of the image and the after of the image when it has been converted into a cartoon image. And for you to achieve this, just like you're seeing on the screen, first you have to open a photo AI. So there is a link below this. So you type this link into your browser. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox browser, any of them. You type the link into it. So I'll paste the link in the comment section for you. So I'll open my browser now and type in the link. So it's easy for you to just copy it and paste it there. All right, if you're with me, please comment below so I'll know that you're following. All right, I'm holding on. Is everyone with me? Copy and paste the link in your browser. It could be Chrome browser or Firefox. Anyone you have, copy it and paste there. Are you all following? Copy and paste the link. Copy and paste the link. Copy and paste the link. I'm waiting and I need to carry everybody along so we can understand what we're about to do and how to do it. The link has been shared on the chat box. So just copy and paste the link. Once you copy and paste the link on your browser, you click enter and then it will be showing you what you're seeing on the screen now. If you've done that, let me know in the chat box. What did we see? All right, all right. I'm still waiting for those that are not yet there. Copy and paste the link. I'm waiting. Yes, accept the cookies. Copy and paste the link on your browsers. It could be Chrome browser or Firefox. Any browser you have at all or you're using, copy the link in the chat box and paste it there. And it will be showing you exactly what you're seeing on the screen now. People in YouTube, all right, hold on. We'll get the link to you so you can participate as well. All right, that's been sent now. Ashiru Barakat, the link has been pasted on the chat box. So do well to copy it and paste on your browser. When you do that, let me know. No, you have to accept the cookies. Collajo, you have to accept the cookies.
Tell them that they will get the link now.
So we can be on the same page and then you can see what you're actually seeing on my screen. Please copy and paste the link. I'm still waiting. I need to be sure that everybody is following so that no one will be left behind because this is a practical class. For those that are yet to do it, please let me know when you've done it. You copy and you've copied and pasted the link on your browser. Okay. Kolajo, have you done it? Yes, accept the cookies, please. Accept the cookies. Kolajo. All right. All right. So we should go on. What about those on YouTube? Have you gotten the link? No, not yet. Don't sign up yet. I'll take you to the process of signing up. We're gonna do it all together, so nobody will be left behind. Yes, please accept the cookies. Juliana, you said you can't see. What exactly it is you can't see? Is it the link?
Jennifer, you come tear him phone and you know that paper so that it doesn't fly away.
Barakat, I don't quite get your question. You said you don't understand. Is it the process of pasting the link or how you should paste the link in your browser that you're finding difficult doing? Fire tablets. What's happening? What's wrong? Talk to me so I can help you. If you signed up, that's no problem, but please don't sign up. Just paste the link and then I'll take you through the process of signing up. But if you've done that already, that is a good way of progress. Kenzie, all right. So a link has been posted on the chat box. All you need to do is to copy the link and paste the link on your browser. Your browser could be Google Chrome or Firefox, Mozilla Firefox. So any of that you have, paste that link that you're seeing on the chat box and enter it. If you're seeing exactly what you're seeing on your screen now, you should let me know. Don't sign up yet. Don't sign up yet. Don't press generate. Just copy and paste the link. Accept cookies. Yes, she became. Go ahead and accept the cookies. Informa Sinachi and Del, please type your questions in the chat box. I'm in the chat box. I will see and read it there and then answer your questions. Patsy, you said you're seeing the same thing. What is it that you're seeing? If you've signed in already, that is okay. But please do not sign in. We are going to do all this together. Just the instruction is copy and paste the link on your browser. When you paste the link, you click enter on your keyboard and make sure that you're seeing what you're seeing on the screen on your own browser screen. If you did not see anywhere to accept the cookies, that is fine. You might see it later on. If you've signed up already, no problem. You should not be sad about it, no problem. We'll still get to that. But yeah, then don't sign up yet. Just copy and paste the link. La wows. No, do not sign up. Just copy and paste the link. I'm still waiting. If everyone is with me, let me know. Dell, what is the problem? Please drop your question in the chat box. I will respond to you. Drop your question in the chat box. I'm still waiting. I'm still waiting. Okay. The link has been pasted on the chat box. A lot of people are reposting it. So just copy the link and paste it on your browser. If you paste the link, just tell me that you've pasted it. And then you hold on for others to do the same. So we'll carry on with the class. Good. The link has been pasted in the chat box. All you need to do is to copy the link and paste it in your browser. Let me know when you've done that. I'm still waiting for those that have yet to do it so we can carry on and go on, move on together. All right, if you're just coming, just listen to me. A link has been pasted in the chat box. So you have to join us from where we are. Copy the link in the chat box and paste it on your browser. When you do that, indicate on the chat box that you've done it. Once you paste the link on your browser and click enter on your keyboard, what you're seeing on your screen right now, you'll be seeing it on your browser screen. All right, so we'll be moving on now. I'll say this one more time. Copy the link in the chat box and paste it on your browser. That is all you need to do. All right, so for those that has done that, has completed that process, the next step, just like you're seeing on the screen, the next step is for you to click on generate. When you click on generate, click on generate. So a dialog box is going to appear telling you to start a free trial. Please pay attention to me. Do not click start free trial. Cancel it. Click on the X button. Cancel it. All right, so what I did, you click on generate. Click on generate. A dialog box is going to appear asking you to start free trial. For some people, you might not experience this, but if you do, cancel the free trial dialog box, cancel it, and then you have what you're seeing on your screen now. Wow. If you're with me, please indicate. Lucius, click generate and cancel the free trial dialog box. Kolajo, are you following? All right, all right. All right. I love your energy. All right, let's move on. So now you see where they say upload image. If you're looking on the screen, my mouse pointer is hovering around it. It says upload image. upload image. Can you see it? So you click on upload image, click on it. A dialog box is going to appear where you can select an image from your computer, any image at all, any image you have on your computer. Select any image. If you selected an image, you should let me know. Select any image, but make sure that the image you're selecting has a face. All right. Please make sure that the image you're selecting has a face. Like the example I showed you before now. You should have a face, okay? You're selecting an image from your computer. Once you click on upload image, a dialog box is going to appear where you select an image from your computer. But make sure that any image you're selecting should have a face. Ifoma Sinachi, can you hear me? Just listen to me. I need you to listen to me. If you've copied and pasted the link in your browser, you just need to paste only one link. It's the same link. You copy and paste the link in your browser. You click enter on your keyboard. And then the interface you're going to see, you should click on generate. And then you get to where we are now. When you've done that, you should let me know. Emanuela, you said you selected an image and it showed you try app in free or stay on web. Yes, the image can have more than one face. Then, Emanuela, all I need you to do is just to select an image from your system, your laptop, or any device that you're using for this class. Select an image that has a face. Ademola, you should just click on upload image, select an image from your device, any device you're using for the class, and make sure that the image you're selecting has a face. All right, so I'll go ahead to select an image so mine can reflect on the screen. Should I see? So please exercise a little patience, all right, so that others can pick up. Okay, we'll be moving ahead soon. Emmanuel, you're doing great, but please hold on for others to follow along, all right? You're doing great. That's a nice job. If you don't have an image, you can take a picture of yourself or anything that has a face. You can download an image from the web. an image of some or something. It could be an animal, it could be a pet. Can download an image and upload it on this platform that you're seeing on the screen. That's it. You said that there is no image. All you need to do is download an image from your browser. You can download an image from Google and upload it to this site. Francisca, what's the problem? All right. Please, all you need to do is to click on upload image. Are you listening to me? Maybell. All right, I'm going to say this again. Click on upload image and select an image from your device, from your computer or any device you're using for the class. Make sure that the image you're selecting has a face. Would you decide? Please cancel the start free trial. Cancel it. Do not click on start free trial. There's an X icon at the edge of it. Click on that X icon to cancel it. How did you get to download 20% of Francisca? We are not yet about to download yet. We are still uploading an image. So please, don't download yet. Stick with us. This is a step-by-step guide so you understand better how to do this and what you're doing. All right, so if you're downloading an image, that's all right. Once you're through, upload the image to this site. Yes, the image is going to appear just like you're seeing mine on the screen now. I've uploaded an image. All right, Kenyola, I'm waiting for you. Once your image has been once the image download has been completed, upload it to the site. Yes, you can upload the image from the dialog box that will appear when you click on upload image. You can take a picture of yourself. Yes, please. The link. Where did you see videos? So, Chidi Ebube, where are you seeing videos? We are not making videos yet. We are converting our pictures, our image to cartoon art. Collage, what's the problem? Have you uploaded your image? All right, if you've done it, just hold on so that others will be carried along. All I need you to do is to upload an image. Do nothing else but upload an image. Yes, if you have an image, David, if you have an image on your device, you should pick an image from there. But make sure that the image you're selecting has a face. Mm. Are you all with me? So we can move ahead. For those downloading an image, are you through with that? If you're through with downloading an image and you've uploaded your image, let me know in the chat box. Dokai, hold on. The link will be sent to you. All right. So Dokai, the link has been sent to the chat box. Copy it and paste it in your browser and click enter on your keyboard. After that, click on generate on the sites that you've opened. All right. So we're going to move on now. So after you've uploaded this image, if you look at the left hand side of your screen, you're going to see different cartoon templates. Look on the screen and you're going to see it. You're going to see different cartoon templates. Now, in choosing a cartoon template, make sure you don't choose the ones that have Pro on them. Look on the screen, don't choose the one that have Pro. You should choose the one that does not have Pro. All right, so you can choose any from this. These ones do not have it. Make sure you don't choose any one that has Pro. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose one. Now I've chosen one. So you should do the same. So choose a cartoon template that does not have Pro on it. Dokai, copy the link that has been sent to the chat box. All right, are you listening? Once you copy the link, paste it in your browser. It could be Chrome, it could be Firefox browser. Paste it and click enter on your keyboard to open the link so you can launch the site. After that, you should let me know. All right, so you've copied the link, paste it in your browser. Choose any cartoon template that does not have Pro. Don't choose the one that has Pro. Choose anyone that does not have Pro. If you look at the cartoon templates, you're going to see some that contain a diamond icon. So do not click on those ones. Don't click on them. Click on the ones that does not contain the diamond icon. So once you click on it, it's going to give you a sample image of that cartoon type. So it's going to convert your picture, that is your uploaded image, to that cartoon type. And if you've done that, you can paste your results. All right, so we're going to download first before you paste your results. So if you're with me on this page, you should let me know. No, don't download yet. Dokai, are you there? Have you generated an image with the templates? Noli and Ifoma Sinachi, please, if you have questions, drop them in the chat box. I'm going to answer to them. Drop all your questions in the chat box. Lucius, Ify, please drop your questions in the chat box. Arize, where are you? Have you uploaded? Have you copied and pasted the link? This one, this one. All right, if you can download and send your results to the page, but we'll still go through that process. So people that can do that, you can go ahead and download and paste your results in the chat box. For those that have not are yet to upload an image, please do that and generate your cartoon template image. If you know what to do about downloading the image, you should go ahead and download and send me your results in the chat box. But if you don't, hold on, I'm still going to take you through that process. Ify, what is it that you don't understand? Who said that? Who said that? Onyebuchi Oluebube, that is a very good job. Kudos to you. Your image is so fine. All right. For people that are yet to get to where we are, Machuku, yours is so good. Nice job. Nice job. So I'm going to teach you how to download. You're going to do that. We've not started the downloading process yet, but if you understand how you should do that, please move on and download your image. Ngozi, I love you. I love your work. Kolajo, I'm glad you're following. That's a nice one. Sandra, what don't you understand? Let me know in the chat box so I'll explain it to you. If you don't understand anything, state it clearly in the chat box. I'm going to respond to you so I can help you out. User, please let me know what the problem is so I can help you out. Oyindamola, I like yours. User, yours is good. Arabella, that's so cute. You guys are doing a great job. Kenneth, that's a good one. User, you did a nice job. You did a nice job. Kudos to you. Treasure, wow, wow, that's a nice job. All right, so if you've downloaded yours, Kafia. Treasure and Joyce, you used another, yeah, you used another site. You used Gemini instead of Photo. We're working with Photo, but that is also good. That is creative. I love that. Divine, yours is good. I'm happy. I'm happy you guys are following. All right, so you're gonna go move on to the process of download. Let me show you how to download it. Please do not paste pictures that are not from the site. What we are doing here is teaching you how to convert your images to a cartoon image. All right. Emmanuel, Mary Grace, please do not repeat this. Follow the class and do the exercise that others are doing. All right. Chika, I love your job. It's good. It looks good. Ify, wow, you did good. All right, so let me teach you. Wow, wow, wow. Ehiwi, that's good. That's good. So I'm going to teach you how to download for those that are still confused about that. So now my image has been generated. You click on download image. You click on download image is right above the extreme end of your image. Click on it. You see download HD. You click on download HD. Now it's going to tell you to sign up. So you can sign up. Now you click on download preview. Once you click on download preview, your image has been downloaded. And you can view it. So mine has been downloaded. I'm going to show you what mine looks like. Titilayo, please tell me, what are you confused about so I can help you? All right, Lawaos, that's a nice one. You guys are doing great. You guys are doing great. Arinze, that is okay. That is good. Emanuela, that is good. All right, so is everyone with me so we can move on to the next? We still have a lot of this to try out. We have a lot more to try out. Are you all with me so we can move on to the next? If you're still confused about this, let me know in the comments so I can help you out. Babatunde, that is a very cute image. I love your work. I love your work. Patit, you said you're confused. Explain to me where your confusion is so I can help you out. If anyone is confused, do tell me. All right, all right. David, David, all you need to do is click on download and click on download preview. Don't click on download HD. Forget about that. Just click on download preview. Then your image will be downloaded to your device. Teniola, is it that you can't download your image or you're confused about the templates you can choose? It's not HD again. Please just click on download preview. HD is going to take you through a long process. Click on download preview. Fikayo, what's the problem? Is it that your image is not transforming to any of the cartoon templates? Uchamechi, what is your confusion? Let me know so I can help you. Fikayo, the anime template that you're clicking on, does it have a diamond icon? Sandra, don't be confused. Let me know what your confusion is so I can help you. Ifoma Sinachi, what's the problem? What don't you understand? Let me know. That's all right. Teniola, what is your confusion so I can help you? Ahmed, that's a good work. That's a good work. Samsung, why are you confused? What's the problem? Let me know. Let me know what your confusion is. Please tell me so I can help you better. Zimuza, that's a good work. That's a good work. When you're done downloading, go to your device file explorer and you can view your downloaded image. If you're using a tablet, you can easily see that on your gallery. If you're using a computer, If you go to your file explorer, click on downloads and you're going to see your image there. When you're done downloading, you can view your downloaded image. All right, look on the screen. I'm going to show you one more time. Once you hit on download preview, your image is going to download. Move to this download icon here on the screen. Click on it and you can see your downloaded image. Chukwebuka, that's a nice work. Okay, okay. Continue with Google. Continue with Google. Dale, that's a nice job. All right, so let us move on. Any other questions you have about this? Write it down so that in the question and answer session, we're going to tackle that and fix it. All right, let's move on. All right, so I've showed you the processes and steps on generating image. All right, here are the steps. Just everything I've explained to you. Now we move on to the second.
Kanjas. Who is
All right, so we move on to the next. Move on to the next, which is steps in designing a personal logo. Steps in designing a personal logo. If you're with me, let me know in the chat box. Okay, I need to carry everyone along. If you have questions, write it down. If you have any question at all, please at this point write your questions down so we can move on.
carry on? Oh, she said that to somebody.
I need you all to pay attention to this. We're about to move on to another. Pay attention. Key research panel. All right, please, guys, let's be guided. Do not insult one another. Fikayo, take correction. Do not insult one another. We are all here to learn. All I need from you is your maximum attention. And please follow the process carefully. Pay attention and be conscious. Stop sharing. All right, hold on for a while. Maybe you be sharing when you have a finish. All right, so let's continue. I can see that everybody's ready for the next step. Please, if you have questions, like I said, write it down. Don't ignore it, write it down. I'm going to attend to them all. But first, let us move on. Now, steps in designing a personal logo. The first step, all right, sorry, let me share my screen so you can follow. Sorry about that. You can see my screen now, right? Everyone can see my screen. Okay, so steps in designing a personal logo. The first step is you open canva.com. You can see it in the screen, canva.com. So you're going to go back to your browser. Listen carefully, everybody. Listen carefully. Go to your browser, type in canva.com, or you can copy it and paste. It will be pasted in the chat box. Copy it and paste on your browser. Canva.com. Can copy it and paste it on your browser. You can see my screen, right? Copy it and paste on your browser. Canva.com. You can type it or copy and paste on your browser. Look on the screen, canva.com. You can copy it and paste on your browser or you type it. Once you do that, let me know. Indicate that you've done it. So we'll be moving a little bit fast. I need everybody to be at alert. Please pay attention. All I need from you now is pay attention. Accept cookies as well. But please pay maximum attention. We will be moving a little bit fast. All right. Please, people still uploading their pictures on the chat box. Please hold on for now. If you have questions, write it down. But I need your maximum attention for this next step. Pay attention, pay serious attention. All right, so the link for the canva.com has been pasted in the chat box. You can as well copy it and paste it on your browser. Copy the link and paste it on your browser. We'll be moving ahead. So if you've done that, indicate in the chat box. Once I get 15 to 20 indicates on the chat box, I'm gonna move on. I need you to pay attention. You guys are not paying attention, and that is not good. So please pay attention. Follow instructions.
Okay, no AI art generator. Okay, no.
All right, if you look at my screen, all right, if you look at my screen, I'm there already. If you're seeing what you're seeing on my screen on yours, you're doing it right. Okay, so let us move on. Now, you click on Start Designing for free. You can see that, right? Click on it, Start Designing for free. So I'm going to click on it and to ask me to sign up in seconds. You click on it and it's going to ask you to sign up in seconds. That is going to show you a dialog box saying sign up in seconds. If you're with me, let me know. Emmanuel, I'm so sorry about your network. If you don't understand anything, ask the right questions. If you have questions from the previous thing we've done, write it down. But please pay maximum attention. I'm going to go again. Click on Start Designing for free. A dialog box is going to appear. Now, on this dialog box, you can click on Continue with Google. If you're signed up already, that's okay. That is good. So hold on till we get into it proper. For people that are not signed up, please go ahead and continue with Google if you're following what I'm doing. If you've signed up, that is good. Once you click on the link to the Canva, that's canva.com, click on Start Designing for free. A dialog box is going to appear. You click on Continue with Google. So I'll go ahead and do that. Accept cookies, please. Accept cookies. So you see on your screen, it is asking that if you've signed in, if you're with me, and you've clicked on Continue with Google, so it's taking you through the process of signing in. Now it's asking what you're going to be doing with it. So you're going to click on Personal. Accept cookies, please. Yes, accept cookies. Accept cookies. Collajo, what are you seeing on your screen? Please, if you're following, let me know. Okay, Kolajo, yours is still loading. Hold on. The loading process has ended, let me know what you're seeing on your screen. At it, continue with Google. Choose your Google account. What you do after signing in with Google is what I am doing on the screen. That is why I asked you to pay attention. Please pay attention. If you're not seeing the same thing you're seeing on my screen, tell me what you're seeing. You can use your phone, yes. Ademola, you can use your phone. If you're with me, let me know. Tell me what you're seeing, so I'll know how to help you. Please don't be lost, Mustafa. What is the problem? Tell me what you're seeing. Tell me what you're seeing. If you can see create, click on create. All right, all right. So that means if you're seeing a screenshot, Idunu, I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but your screenshots, you see where they said search. Idunu, I hear me. If you see where they say search, type in logo in that search bar. Type in logo. For those of you that are still confused, please, what is your confusion so I can help you? You're saying continue with email. Now, you can continue with email. Kolajo, you can continue with email, but it's going to take you a longer process that I cannot explain to you now. So maybe you should just listen and then ask your questions later so I can help you out, okay? All right, so let me clarify this. I asked you to sign in with Google, not email. It's going to show you three options: sign in with Google, continue with Facebook, or sign in with your email. So just to make it easier, continue with Google because it's your Google account that you're using. Excuse me. The Google account that you're using on the browser is what you're going to use on the site. So just sign and continue with Google. Don't sign in with email. Email is going to take you to a different step altogether. Except if you can navigate on your own, then that is a good progress too. If you can navigate, signing in with your email on your own, it's a good progress. Ify, all right. So if you've gotten to this place, Same thing now. If you're listening to me, see where they said search designs, type in logo. Type in logo in the search bar. Type in logo and search. Fikayo, what's the problem? What's the problem? Kenneth, let me know, what are you not saying? Onyebuchi, your mom has Canva. That means she has the app. But we are using our browsers, not the app. So please refer to your browser. Don't use the Canva app. Go to the browser and type in the link that has been sent to the chat box on your browser. That's canva.com. Type in canva.com. Okay, so I'll move on now. So it says, I would like to focus on what are you trying, what do you want to focus on? So here you click on keep exploring. Click on personal, Calio. Click on personal. Click on personal. After clicking on personal, you'll be seeing exactly what you're seeing on my screen now. Should I skip it? All right, if you're lost, hold on. I'm going to find you, okay? Just hold on and follow me. Hold on, okay? So let us finish this process. The person joined on the screen, I asked you to pay maximum attention. I don't know if this name is right. Hazima. If it is you, please stop drawing on the screen. Pay attention. Please, if you're lost, hold on. I'll find you, okay? But just pay attention and listen to me. I need you to listen to me, okay? Listen to me. I understand that you're lost, but please listen to me. Are you listening? If you're listening, let me know in the comments. If you're listening, let me know in the comments. If you're listening, let me know in the comments. I need your attention. I need your attention. Are you all listening? All right. So now look at the screen. Look at the screen. I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back so we can start from the beginning. A lot of you are stuck here. All right. I'm going to take this one more time and then we will be moving on. If you have questions, please write them down. Okay? We need to run a little bit fast. Heritage, if you have questions, write it down. But I need you to pay attention. Heritage, if you're listening, let me know. Taiwo, I need you to listen and stop drawing. I need you to listen and stop drawing, Taiwo. Stop drawing on the screen. Listen. Emanuela, all right, so moving on. Moving on. Moving on. Since you all have indicated that you're listening, please pay strict attention to this. What you're seeing on the screen now is a Canva interface, but we are still personalizing it. Now, on this interface, all you need to click on is personal. You click on personal, it takes you to another page saying what you would like to focus on. Now we are focusing on, our aim is to build and design a logo. Please, whoever it is drawing on the screen, you're distracting others. All right. So you click on learning to design. You click on continue. You skip this part and you've landed your Canva interface. Don't ask questions yet. Pay attention. If you're seeing what is showing on my screen on yours, then you're doing it right. Pay attention. Whoever is drawing, consider yourself removed. All right. But please, others that are listening, keep paying attention. So, if you're seeing what is showing on the screen on yours, then you're doing it right. Now, in the search box, you type in logo. You type in logo. On the search box, type in logo. If you're with me. If you're not with me, hold on. I understand that a lot of you are lost, but hold on. I'll find all of you. All right. So click on logo and click on submit. The purple arrow icon, click on it. It's going to submit it. Now I'm showing you a lot of logo. These are logo designs. Now here, you can decide to create your own logo. It says create a blank logo, and you can decide to choose a template and edit it to your preferred choice. Either of these can work for you. So now we're going to go ahead and choose a designed logo. So choose any logo of your choice. Are you all with me? Now it says ask me anything. Here you can tell the AI that you want a logo that has letter L and letter X in it. If you're paying attention, you'll see what I'm doing. All right, so it has given me different designs. I will choose one, and it says use Canva editor. So you can use Canva editor to edit this logo to fit the color or the design or any other thing you want to add to it. Okay. Please pay attention.
I'm streaming with this phone.
Diamond Adesegun, pay attention. You people are not paying attention. You're distracted. Pay attention. So you'll be able to ask right questions, understand what we are doing. Click on use Canva editor. Okay, so in using Canva editor, it has given us an editing interface. Here you can decide to add style, you can decide to add templates, extra logos, or anything of your choice. You can add elements, you can add text, anything it is you want to add. So I'm going to go on to add, let me add a WhatsApp icon. So I've added a WhatsApp icon to my logo. Now let me go ahead and download my logo. I need you to pay attention, listen to me. I understand that a lot of you are lost. But please, if you're following, indicates that you're following. Before I go ahead to download, if you're following, indicates that you're following. If you're following, indicates you're following. If you don't understand, please write out your question. I'll answer it. I'll attend to all of you. All right. If you're following, indicate you're following. All right. All right. All right. I have a good number of people following. That's good. That's good. All right. So I've added my WhatsApp icon. Now you move on to share. Click on share. All right. You scroll down and scroll up, sorry, and you see an icon that says download. Click on download. Click on download and click on download again. Click on download. Your image is downloading. You see it. Now our image has been downloaded. Your image has been downloaded. So if you have your downloaded image, please paste it on the chat box so that people that are not following you will see that a lot of people are listening and they are making progress. A lot of you are not paying attention, and that is not good. Lawal, that is a good one. I love your work. It's so beautiful. All right, so if you've completed this process, paste your job in the group in the chat box. Onyebuchi, don't cry, don't cry. Okay, I'll find you. Okay, hold on. We'll all get to you. If you've downloaded your image, upload it to the chat box. Mwachuku, that is so nice. I love your work. It's so fine. It's so fine. Titilayo, don't cry. Kenzie boy, I love your job. It's so nice. Okay, let's move it. Irene, I love your job. It's so nice. If your own is still loading, hold on. Hold on. If you've completed yours, please upload it to the chat box. I'm waiting. Jonah Kalio, is that what you generated or you're still trying to make a logo? I'm seeing lots of logo. Please send the one that you've generated, the one you've edited, to the chat box. Kenneth, wow, this is so nice. Wow, you people are doing great. It's so. This is nice too. This is nice. I love it. I'm sorry if I'm calling the name incorrectly. Ogene Maro. All right, Ogene Maro. Your work is nice. La wow, wow. Oh, is this your brand name? Lawal Designs. That's good. I like it. Idunu, you're doing nice. You're doing well. I love your work. Hello, I love your work. I love your work. Oh, Wona, wow, that is nice. That is nice. I like it. Oh, I like that. Oluwashun. Wow, this is creative. This is nice. This is nice. Idunu. That is nice. Zimuzo, wow. Daniela, you did a nice job. This is great. This is great. I'm so happy. I'm happy that you are following. Salami, wow, wow. This is nice. Idunu, this is nice. All right. All right. If you're still following, if you're still with me, indicate in the chat box. So we move on to the next. If you're lost, hold on. We'll get back to you. If you have questions, write it down. Wow, I love what you're doing. It's good. Are you exploring all you can? That is good. It's good progress. Please let me know. If you're following, please let me know. Don't be lost. I'll find you. Don't worry. If you're following, let me know so we can move on to the next. Don't be lost. Don't panic. All right. All you need to do for me is pay attention. Don't be in a hurry to type. Just pay attention and ask the right questions. Angela Chukwebuka, this is so nice. This is so nice. I love it. Ify, wow, this is a nice job. Leonard, wow, this is so nice. The nice job. You guys are doing so well. Iretomiwa, wow. I love your design. Your logo is fine. Wachuku, this is so good. This is good. Ibukun Oluwa, this is so nice. You did well. Ibuka, wow. Do you want to own a leadership community? This is nice. I like it. All right, so like I said, if you're following, let me know in the comments so we can move on. So we can move on. Harmony, this is nice. All of you that have done well, I appreciate you so much. I'm happy that you're following and that you made progress. Okay? If I recognized you, you're doing well. If I did not, you did well. So please follow me on. Follow me on. Let's continue. All right, so we're moving on to digital art for a child storybook. Okay? For those of you that are lost, please pay attention to this. Pay attention to this. I need your maximum attention. If you're paying attention, let me know. If you're paying attention, let me know in the chat box. We're about to enter another one. Let us explore another arts site. Okay? Nini Oluwa, your job is nice. Those of you that are lost, please, I need your maximum attention. We are about to explore another art site, art website. So I need you to pay maximum attention. I understand that you're lost in Canva, but do not allow it to weigh you down. Brace up and pay attention to what we are about to do now. It is very important. I need your maximum attention. We will all attend to your questions from the previous one. If you're paying attention, let me know. Amaka, that's nice. I love your jobs. Paying attention, let me know, let me know, let me know. If you're following, let me know so we can move on. I have not forgotten the one from Canva either. I know that a lot of people are lost on that, but I'll still get back to it. Please stop drawing on the screen. Francisca, consider yourself removed. All right, so if you're following, let's move on to the next. The next we have is digital art for a child storybook, or for children's storybook rather. I'll be sharing this screen. You can see my screen now, I guess. If you're seeing my screen, let me know in the chat box. If you're seeing my screen, let me know. If you can see my screen, let me know. All right, all right, all right. I love the energy. So let's move on. Digital art for a child storybook. Now, to get this done, we first open the link you're seeing on the screen. Paste this link in the chat box. The link you're seeing on the chat box, click on it, or you copy it and paste it in your browser. The link in the chat box, I need you to pay attention. Copy the link and paste it in your browser. Please, we need to be fast. Copy it and paste it in your browser. The link is in the chat box. Copy it and paste it in your browser. If you've done that, let me know. That is good. That is good. That is good. Linda on YouTube, please hold on. The link will be sent to you. All right. So, Linda, the link has been sent to you. on YouTube, whatever it is, write your questions down, okay? I will attend to your questions. So just copy the link and paste it. Copy the link and paste it in your browser. I need you to pay attention and follow me. If you've done that, let me know. Whatever you are doing, leave it. Copy the link in the chat box and paste it on your browser. That's what I need you to do now. Copy the link in the chat box and paste it on your browser. If you've done that, let me know. Don't be lost. Copy the link on the chat box and paste it in your browser. Oladimeji. Alright, copy the link and paste it on your browser. Yes, you can open the link directly. You can click on the link in the chat box, or you can copy it and paste it on your browser. If you're done and you're following, let me know. We need to move on. If you're done and you're following, let me know. That's good. That's good. Kalio, that's good. You're following. If you're done and you're following, let me know. Dokai, if you're not following, listen to me. I'm going to say this for the last time. Copy the link in the chat box and paste it on your browser. That is all you need to do now. If you've done that, let me know. Are you all ready? If you're ready to move on, let me know. Should we move on? If you're ready to move on, let me know. All right, so we move on. Now you can see my screen. A lot of you are seeing the same thing you are seeing on my screen now on your own. All right, so this is easier. Okay, look forward to where they wrote prompt. You see where they wrote prompt. All right, if you can see it, let me know. On the left hand side of your screen, you see where they wrote prompt. If you can see it, let me know. All right. So if you can see that, it's good. Now, I understand that you don't know what a prompt is. And I'm going to teach you what it is and how to write one. Okay? All right, so we'll move on. Now, let me teach you how to make a good prompt. Please listen and pay attention. I'm going to teach you how to make a good prompt. Onyinye, consider yourself removed. You're distracting my class. All right, let's move on. How to make a good prompt. Now, here are the steps. If you're listening to me, let me know. I need your attention on this. Pay attention. Guys, pay attention. A lot of you are not paying attention. I will teach you how to write a good prompt. If you're listening and you're following me, let me know. That is good. That is good. I'm glad a good number of you are following. All right, let's move on. So, how to make a good prompt? It says, in making a good prompt, it must be specific, contextual, and clear. All right. In making a good prompt, it must be specific, contextual, and clear. Dokai, pay attention. Pay attention. Jeremiah, Jemimia, pay attention.
Don't worry about my screen.
Don't worry about the screen. Pay attention. Listen to what I am saying. Listen to what I am saying. If you're listening to me, let me know. That is all I need from you. Listen to what I am saying. If you're listening, let me know. All right. All right. So let's move on.
New at new light. Like new light.
At New Life to Light, you're welcome. You're welcome. All right. So a good prompt should contain a good number of things. All right. So first, a good prompt should say exactly what you want the AI to do, which is the task you want the AI to perform. Listen to me. Do not worry about my screen. Worry about my voice. Listen to me. All right, so moving on. First, a good prompt should say exactly what you want the AI to do, which is the task. Secondly, a good prompt should tell it who to act like, such as a teacher, an artist, or a storyteller. Third, a good prompt should explain who it is for, like kids, students, or families. The fourth one, a good prompt should describe how it should sound or look. A good prompt should describe how it should sound or look. For example, fun, friendly, or simple. A good prompt should set rules such as what it should do or not do. And lastly, a good prompt gives examples, if you can, to show what you mean. Now, all this explains the instructions you give the AI on what you want it to produce or do for you. Remember that the clearer you are, the better the AI can help you. You can also change your prompt and try again if the result isn't quite right. Okay? Now, steps in making a good prompt. The steps in making a good prompt. First, you decide what you want. For example, you want the AI to design a storybook for you. That is what you want it to do. Which is first decide what you want. You ask yourself, what do I want the AI to make or do? right? Now, in yourself, you want the AI to design a storybook. Now you say, I want the AI to design a storybook. That is what you want it to make or do for you. Now, in designing that, whatever you have in mind could be a picture, a story, a logo, or an this. That is exactly what you do to the AI. I want you to be friendly. I want you to be truthful. I want you to tell me the way it is. That is, you tell it who you want it to be. Now, you can say things like act like a teacher, be a cartoon, or be a storyteller. You can tell the AI to act like a teacher. Whatever you tell it, it should say it the way a teacher should say it, or it should behave like a cartoon, just like a cartoon does, or it should tell you story of whatever you tell it to do. Then say who it is for, whether it is for children, students, beginners, or grown-ups. Okay? This helps the AI choose the right style of how to better respond to you. After that, explain how it should look or sound. Should it be fun, simple, colorful, serious, or friendly? You tell the AI the kind of tone you expect from it, the way you want it to sound. Now, you add rules or limits. For example, keep it short. For instance, you can tell the AI, I need a 5 word sentence of who I am. Right? That is keeping it short. Use simple words. Do not use scary images so you don't confuse the AI and for you to get a better result of what you want. Now, if you can give an example, examples help the AI understand exactly what you mean. Right? Finally, check the results and try again. Now, when the AI has generated what you want it to do, you check the result. If it doesn't fit into what you want, you have to refine your prompt and try again. And finally, if it's not perfect, you change your words and improve your prompts. And that's part of learning. So you keep exploring till the AI gives you exactly what you want. All right. So with this, if you're still following, you should let me know so we can get right into prompting our AI. Right, right. A good number of you is following. So let's get into prompting the AI. If you can see my screen now, if you can see my screen now, we'll go ahead and prompt the AI. Now, remember what I taught you. You first think of what you want to do and let the AI and tell the AI this is what you want. Tell it how to behave, what it should do, who it should be for, and how it should sound. Now, I'll go on to prompt it. You should do the same. So you should think of something and tell the AI what you want. So it will generate it for you. It could be a story, it could be for entertainment, for anything. So do it and let us do it together. So go ahead and prompt your AI. So after you prompt your AI, sorry, after you prompt your AI, you can see my screen. You click on create. You click on create. I've prompted my AI. Okay. You click on create. Prompt is on the left hand side of the site, the link you opened. Now it will ask you to sign up and you continue with Google. You click on continue with Google. Okay. You choose an account and you continue. Yes. Nolly, what do you mean by can we use prompts? Prompt is a group of words that you enter telling the AI what you want it to do. Once you look at my own, it says design a fun storybook for entertainment, citing a child playing with his father and being happy. So with this, you've told the AI what you want, how it should sound, what it is for, which is entertainment, and who it should behave like. You can use my own prompt, but I'll be glad if you use your own. Think of something and tell the AI to do that thing. After using my own, try and use your own. Think of something and tell the AI to do that thing. Okay? Alright, so go ahead and click on create. Click on create. So it is generating. It will not tell you that you need to pay. Divine, what is the problem? Oluebube, stop crying. What is the problem? What challenges are you facing? What are the difficulties? Alright, so you've seen this is a picture of what mine looks like. You've seen what mine looks like. So this is my result. This is my result from my prompt. Okay, you can see the prompt by my result. So if you've gotten to this stage and you have your pictures ready, upload it to the chat box. Now, if you have questions, get ready to ask your question. No, it's not supposed to tell you to pay. Don't be lost. No, sorry for your laptop. If you use the link that was pasted on the chat box, it is not supposed to tell you to pay. What did you click? Del, drop your question. Drop your question in the chat box. I'll respond to you. All right. If you want to download it, look at my screen now. McDonald, what is the problem? What did you click? Queen, accept your cookies. This is wonderful. Salami, this is a nice job. This is a nice job. Anything you're confused about, let me know. Let me know. Wisdom, you can get your browser on your computer. Go to Google. Google is a browser. Trending. Ushiwo. No, you don't have to pay. What did you click? Click on the link that you're seeing on the chatbot now. Click on that link, that particular link. Otedola Kolajo. That is a nice job. Kolajo, I'm so happy for you. You followed on this one. That is nice. It's good to know that you're paying attention. Obonas, this is good. Wow, I love this. Oladele, okay, okay, Oladele, sorry. Okay, Obonas, this is for the other one that we've concluded. Where is the title of your prompt? Where is your prompt? Kenzie boy, this is nice. This is nice. Where is the title of your story? Cancel Lawal, cancel what you're seeing on your screen now. Don't click anything. Cancel the dialog box. Ashu, this is great. This is great. Other ones that are posting theirs without title, just like Ashu, you're wrong. Yours should have a title. Your pictures or your art should have a title. Kenzie boy, this is good, but I cannot read out your title. Wow, this is good. Wakaibe, yeah, I like this. This is good. Nolly, Nolly, cancel the dialog box. Cancel the dialog box. I see what you're seeing. Don't click on the Christmas special offer. Just go straight into entering your prompts. Chidiebube, Aneke, and Del, ask your questions in the chat box. All right, I'm going to attend to them. Arabella, you might be facing a network challenge. You can refresh your browser, and try it again. No, if you've entered your prompt, click on create. Idunu, close the dialog box. Don't click anything on the dialog box. Close it. Close the dialog box. McDonald, what do you said you don't have enough credits for the pictures. Are you sure it's the same site that we are using that you're using? Click on the link in the chat box. Aderi Ibuku Oluwa, this is a nice job. This is a nice job. Yes, heritage, use your laptop. Use your laptop, okay? Your computer, rather. Could be your laptop or your desktop. Ugoshiwu, exit, close this dialog box that you're seeing. Close it. Namdi, this is great. I love this. This is so great. All right, for those of you experiencing hard time dealing with this, I'm gonna attend to that. But before we get to that, wow, in your bunk, this is great. I love this. This is great. Okay, so for those of you that are having difficulties, Wushiwu, all of you should pay attention now. Okay, we'll all resolve this later. Wushiwu, don't quit. Wushiwu, look up at the right extreme of that dialog box. There is an X icon there. Click on it. Click on that X icon. It will go away to cancel the dialog box. After that, place the word Christmas 20% off. On the extreme right, there's an X there. Click on that X icon. If you've done that and you can't see the dialog box again, let me know. Nandi, this is cute. Fikayo, maybe you're experiencing a little network challenge. Try refreshing your browser. Refresh your browser. Onyebuchi, what is the problem? Ademola, what is the problem? Jemina, what is your question? Jedidia, what are you pressing? What is not working? Ngozi, take a screenshot of what you're seeing and upload it to the chat box so I can see. Let me know how to help you. That's it. This is good, but it's not it short and precise. Ademola will still go back to Canva. Hold on, hold on. Ninyola, this is good. Jedidia, refresh your browser. If you're clicking on the create button and it is not responding, refresh your browser and try it again. Ninyola, Richard, this is good. Ademola will still get back to Canva. I told you to pay attention to this class. Leave Canva for now. Pay attention to this. Dell, screenshot your screen so I can see screenshot your screen and upload the screenshot here. Wachuku, what are you signing into? Which site are you signing into? All right. So there is a video on this. Okay, there's a video on each of this, so you can refer to the video. So there's a pre-recorded video for this on Link School. All right, and I'll play the video for you after class. So let us continue with the class, and then I'll resolve all your challenges later. Okay? Please listen and pay attention. If you're doing that, let me know. Those of you that need help, I'll attend to you, but please listen to the class now. Onyebuchi, use your computer, not your phone. Lawal, I will attend to you. Lawal, on your screen, where they wrote Christmas 20% off, look at the right extreme. You're going to see an X icon. Click on the X icon. After clicking on it and you're still seeing the dialog box, let me know. So let us conclude the class so I can answer all your questions, okay? Lawa, what are you seeing? All right, so engaging with the creative process. First, in doing that, you all should hold on. You all should hold on. Before I continue, Simuzo, this is nice. I love this. This is nice. I'm going to play a video for you on how to do this so all your problems will be resolved, okay? So let us finish up with the class and then we can get into that proper. Now, in engaging with the creative process, first you explore your ideas. And in doing that, you start with imagination. You think of something cool, silly or creative, and then you turn it into a simple prompt, a short sentence the AI can understand. Okay? Then iterating and refining. When the AI shows you first image, you check it. If it's not right, we change a few words and try again. Each credit makes the results better. Showcasing and sharing arts. When your picture looks good, we will arrange it neatly so you can share it online or in class. Good art deserves to be seen, just like the ones you're uploading here, and I'm so happy with it. Now, safety and ethics in AI art. Understanding copyright issues. You don't copy other people's work and claim it as yours. Some of you were doing that. It is not nice. AI can help us make art, but we still need to respect real artists and their creations. Ethical considerations. Consider that AI is powerful, but it shouldn't replace your creativity. You are still a human and you need to function as one. Use AI as a tool, not as a shortcut. The ideas still come from you. Okay? Now, in creating responsibly, when you make art, think about others. Avoid hurtful images. Respect different cultures and create in a way that makes the world brighter, not harmful. Future implications of AI in art. Trends in AI art. AI is changing how people create. Artists artists are mixing traditional drawings with AI tools to make new styles and exciting digital art. Career opportunities, of course, many jobs already use AI, including graphic design, animation, game design, advertising, filmmaking. Knowing how to use AI can give you an advantage in these creative fields. And collaborative creation, artists aren't replaced by AI. They team up with it. The artist brings the idea, and AI helps bring that idea to life faster and in new ways. Your creative power and your pro tips. Know that AI can draw, design, and remix ideas, but it's your imagination that leads the way. Every great artwork starts with a spark in your mind. AI just helps you to make it visible. And here are the pro tips for AI art. First, be clear with your prompts. Add details like colors, styles, and emotions. Try different versions, don't settle for your first image. Mix your own sketches or ideas with what AI creates. Conclusions and next steps. Here are the recap of the outcomes. Today, we saw how AI could help you create art. You learned how prompts work, how to improve your images, and you tried real activities yourself. So don't stop here. Try different AI tools, mix styles, and experiment. The more you play with the ideas, the better you get. Share your work with friends and classmates. When you see what others create, you learn new tricks and get fresh ideas. Thank you for your participation, and we would love to hear your feedback so we can make further sessions even better. If you have questions, big or small, this is the time to ask. So, table your questions in chat box. And yes, the recap class, the link is on YouTube for you to go ahead and watch. The channel is Digital Dreams ICT Academy. You can search that in your YouTube and watch the videos there. So you can better understand how to use these tools. Okay. Now we jump into the conversation. Your idea and question help everyone learn. Tomiwa, this is good. So if you need help, watch the video. If you still have questions, the recap for tomorrow is still available. Same time, same place. Okay. Come for your recap tomorrow by 9. All right. The answers to your questions are in the videos. The link to the okay, no, the title to the YouTube page has been sent to this chat box. So go to YouTube, search for Digital Dreams ICT Academy. Okay, we'll go ahead and paste the link for you so you can click it and watch the videos. So after watching the videos and you still have further questions, write it down and then we'll tackle it tomorrow in the recap session. So link to the live video has been pasted on the chat box. All right, if you can hear me, link to the live video has been pasted on the chat box. So click on it and watch it so you better understand the processes on following up with the tools. Okay. If you still have questions after that, write it down and we will talk about it and solve the problem tomorrow in our recap session. All right. So we're gonna see you tomorrow, same time, same place. Okay. Recap is by 9. Class starts by 10. Be early for your recap. So if you still have questions, you can present them and it will be resolved. Okay. Now make sure to do your assignments and take your quiz on the Learn School app the same way you've been advised to do that. You take your assignments and your quiz and submit them properly. All right. So see you people tomorrow. Love you guys. The homework is available on the Link School app. All right, Kenneth? So see you guys tomorrow. Love you all and bye bye.